The empty houses. This is being fixed. Lock the door. Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh. Oh, they got the lights on. Another room. The floors don't feel safe. Anyway, it's a nice place though. Look how. It must be the living room. Whew. Wow, it's a nice place. I wonder if it's fixed. The floors feel weird. Down the stairs. I just walked in, the door was open. The basement looks. Oh my god, these are nice rooms. One room, two rooms. The shelf. 1, 2, downstairs. 3 rooms. Laundry room, nice big laundry room. People must come and do laundry here. Sounds like a furnace room. I don't want to open that. Oh, dresser. Oh, I need a dresser. Wow, 2 dressers. Can you take these? Wow, that's 1, 2, 3. Four, 5 bedroom place. Oh, the closet, kitchen, living room. The floors don't feel too sturdy though. Wow, that's the outside view. This is a 5-bedroom house. Just sitting there. The toilet's outside. Look at that. Wow, this is nice.